How to fix GCash app authentication failed. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. Also, you can go ahead and switch networks if needed. Now, once you have done that, open up App Store and then in the search bar, search for GCash. Once you search for it, go ahead and tap onto it, and inside here, if you see update instead of open, go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Once you have done that, head back to your home screen, open up settings application. Inside the settings application, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and then inside iPhone storage, search for GCash and then tap onto it. Just like so, tap on upload app, then tap on upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. Once you have uploaded the application, tap on reinstall app right over here. Once you have done that, go ahead and open GCash to see if the problem is fixed or not. If not, long press onto it, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and then tap on delete again. Once you have deleted GCash from your mobile device, visit the App Store again and reinstall GCash. After you follow all these steps and if it's still not fixing your issue, try at a different time. GCash server may be overloaded or undergoing maintenance, so wait for a few minutes or try during off-peak hours. And that ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.